Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on night mode on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To help to preserve your night vision, the Modular Ultra and Wayfinder watch faces can automatically enter night mode after dark. When night mode is on, the watch face turns red. You can also turn on night mode manually if you would like the watch face to be red all of the time. Hold down on a Wayfinder or Modular Ultra style watch face to get to the face switching screen. Then tap Edit. Swipe through the options until you get to night mode. You can then use the digital crown to switch between auto, off, or on. Auto will make your watch automatically enter night mode when your environment becomes dark. Off will turn off night mode altogether, and on will make night mode stay on permanently. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.